Brilliant NextGen smart home control panels, revolutionizing home automation. Are you ready to take your smart home experience to the next level? Brilliant NextGen has just launched its second generation of touchscreen control panels, and they're here to replace those old-fashioned light switches with something truly innovative. These sleek new panels maintain the stylish look of their predecessor but pack a punch with a stunning 4x higher resolution screen. Plus, they come equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, to minimize interference, ensuring your smart devices work seamlessly together. What's more, the new Brilliant panels boast a more powerful processor, setting the stage for the exciting future of AI-powered smart home features. While the company hasn't revealed exactly when these features will roll out or what they will entail, the anticipation is certainly building. For now, the new panels don't introduce any new software features compared to the previous generation, but improvements in performance are on the horizon. In a recent email, Aaron Wright, Brilliant's head of marketing, shared that the new version significantly reduces latency with integrations. This is fantastic news, especially since the earlier model faced some sluggishness with certain devices during testing. With these smart panels, you can effortlessly control everything from Philips Hue lights to Sonos speakers and a variety of other smart home gadgets. Brilliant has had its share of ups and downs, nearly facing bankruptcy in 2024 before being rescued by two private investment firms, Almeida Strategic Investments and Cullinan Holdings. Now, with fresh backing, they're back and better than ever. Excitingly, most of the new Brilliant panels are available for order and shipping right now. You can even snag bundles that include 3 screenless switches, usually priced at $69.99 each, saving you up to $96. If you're not keen on electrical work, there's also a plug-in version of the panel available for $329, which includes 2 smart plug outlets. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your home with these cutting-edge smart home control panels. The future of home automation is here, and it's looking brighter than ever.